In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Discord. 5 minutes. We're going to connect your Trello board to Discord using the Discord notifications power-up so your team can see updates like new cards, comments, and due dates right inside a channel. This is quick and doesn't require any coding, but you will need to be a board admin in Trello and have permission to authorize apps with your Discord account. Start by signing into Trello and opening the board you want to connect. Pick the board where notifications will be most useful for your team. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one before you continue. On the board, look for power-ups. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the top bar or the side menu. Open it, then choose Add Power-Ups to launch Trello's directory. Use the search bar to look up Discord notifications. You should see a result called Discord Notifications, specifically for Trello. Open it to view the details, then select Add. Trello will attach the power-up to your board, which only takes a moment. Once it's added, open the power-up's settings from your board. This is where you connect your Discord account. Click Authorize Account. A Discord window will appear asking you to allow access. Make sure you're signed into the correct Discord profile and that any browser pop-up blockers are disabled because the authorization opens in a new window. In the Discord prompt, review what the integration is asking for, then click Authorize to proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant Trello access to your Discord account. This is a standard OAuth flow used by both platforms, and you can revoke it at any time from your Discord settings if needed. That's the connection done. From here, the power-up can post updates from your board into Discord. If you ever need to adjust or pause notifications, return to the power-ups settings on your Trello board. Keeping notifications focused on the most important events helps avoid channel noise, so consider enabling only what your team actually needs. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't add the power-up, your board might be at its power-up limit. Remove an unused one and try again. If the authorization window doesn't appear, temporarily disable pop-up blocking. And always verify you're authorizing the correct Trello board and Discord account to prevent posting in the wrong place. You've now connected Trello to Discord in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.